Hi viewers, today we're going to review this smart photo frame. So uniqueness, the specialty of this frame is like you can share a unique code of this frame to your friends or relatives, and they can share the photos through their dedicated app. So photos can be shared anywhere from the world, so that's a uniqueness apart from the local storage. So you can share the photos through online. uh, Only thing we need is their own app, Frameo app. Actually, I'm not doing a very detailed review, so you can find many YouTubers already post about how to use everything. So we're going to do review in a different way, in our own style. So this is the frame. So this is a 10 inch capacity touch screen. So this is a touch screen based roof. So this is the back side of it. So you can see you can mount it on the wall. This is the power on and off switch, and this is the mount for to stand, vertical and horizontal mount. So these are speaker gills. It has two speakers, and thing is that they have given a small grills holes instead of later in this video I will show. These are the ports. So let's we have DC barrel connectors, slim type, and micro SD card, USB, micro USB, and reset switch. Let's connect. This is the brand Frameo. It's a Dutch company, Denmark. So not to worry about any security issues. All the photos are end-to-end encrypted. So not a, even though this Chinese made, the company is in the Denmark base. So I don't think we have any Chinese servers here. So this is the booting process. We have recovery option as well. Let's see what we have in recovery. So in the recovery we have update, backup to external storage, PID. To go back we need to click again, restart. You can count the boot time for this. This frame runs on a custom Android OS. So I can see the boot process. It's loading. So thing is that as every time it will give this warning. So this device should not be disconnected from the power while it's booting. Maybe it may get corrupted, that's why they are giving this warning every time. This is the home screen. So these are the menus you get. So if you click on this, it will give an option for to add in this will give a unique code. We need to share it to the users. This is for to hide a photo, this is to react for a photo that we receive. This is a gallery, fit to frame, adjust photo. These are the reactions. Hide a photo, gallery, fit to frame, adjust photo, you can rotate caption. These are the boot option I shown. No power of restart, you can put a sleep, and we have a custom option like when to wake up, scheduled wake up and sleep option in this. That's a good thing. And we have both temperature and the time as well. So this is not a photo, not only a photo frame, we can also send a videos as well. For 30 seconds video, or for a paid subscription we will get a 2 minutes video. Later I will show on the screen. Let's jump into the settings. These are the settings. Frame name, language, weather, date, normal common settings, manage photos. This is the storage. It has a 16 GB storage. So hide photo, delete, transfer, export, normal things. Add a friend. From here you can add your friends. From the home screen also I have shown, no? So you can add friends here, and they can, after adding, they can share the photos anywhere in the world. Display, brightness, sleep mode. As I told you, sleep mode, we can set a custom wake up and slideshow, timer, fit to frame, background, west direction. See, we have an option for a show clock, show weather, autoplay, volume. Sad thing about this frame is that volume is for a video clips is not that much high volume. So that's the thing. This is the Wi-Fi settings, and these are the notifications, notifications options. And this is the notification sound. As you can see, it's very low, and we can't change the notification ringtone as well. And these are all the notifications for storage, backup, new photo. As soon as we receive a new photos on the frame, it will show the notification on screen. Software updates, newest features, date, time, all this. This is backup and transfer. So you can set up a cloud backup, and it's a paid subscription. This is a local backup, automatic backup, restore, reset. This is help, and this is about. And one more thing, if you put the frame into sleep, for it to wake up again, it has to be wake up at the scheduled time. And if you want to wake it up manually, so we can't wake it up with the touch screen. We need to and press the button, then it will activate. That's the one more issue with this. So we can't wake up the frame by double tapping or touching the screen. We need to flip the into we need to access the back side of the frame, and you need to press the power button. And sad thing is that we can't control any of the settings through the mobile app. You can only send the pictures or video clips through the app, and we can't modify any of these frame settings. So that's our one more bad drawback. So you need to do all the settings from the tab from the frame itself. Now we will look inside the frame. As you can see, this is the antenna. So it works on 2.4, not a 5.8, even though it's mentioned like that. So 2.4 Wi-Fi. This is a speaker I'm telling previously. So even though it's a 2-watt speaker, the grill opening is very small. As you can see, 2 speaker connections, separate audio ICs for the both channels. Not sure what these 2 headers. We had 2 more empty headers over there, so not sure what they are for. And this is a rock chip, the main chip, and these are the RAM storage chips. And this is the Wi-Fi chip, and this is Samsung 16 GB storage, and this is the capacitive touch controller IC. These are normal components. So this is the front side of the PCB. Let's see the back side. We have micro USB port, on off switch, memory card slot, reset button, and these two, the headers, the empty headers. You can see VCC and ground. We can see IR, and one header. It was this for one header. It was mentioned IR, and for other header, both are 3-pin headers. Not sure why they left it, and not sure what's their purpose. So they labeled them as one is for IR and one is for IO. Not sure for what those 2 headers. If anyone know, please leave a comment in the